Well guys, here I am again, headed to Missouri, but this time we are under contract. We have a house to go to. As long as we like it and it passes inspection, we're moving in. Come check it out with us for the first time as well. Okay guys, this time I put Hardee's straight into the GPS. I wasn't messing around. I need my Frisco burger. I'm super grateful they got me into this hotel room 3 hours early because I don't know exactly what to do. I'm in St. Louis. I've never been here before. Let us know in the comments what we could do here in St. Louis because this is shaping up to be really close to home. I know one thing, on the way to this meeting, I'm gonna drive past one, I know it. Alright, I think I just got a text from the realtor. There's somebody in the driveway. I don't know if that was the owner or the realtor. It's our new yard.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Gosh, look at our new place. Jeez.
I know, look at it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's the cookies. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. How sweet.
So sweet. Oh my gosh.
And they made it super easy on us. So they said everything we are welcome to keep unless it's marked with these stickers. So
Wow. That's so generous. And
Very
the cookies and water. And,
I know.
Wow.
It's so
Jeez.
sweet. I texted the agent. I was like, tell them we said thank you. Like, this is awesome.
My goodness, yes.
Yeah.
They're so thoughtful.
So thoughtful.
Really thoughtful. So I'm able to take a bath in my own house in I think it's like 8 years or something. So that looks good to me. I mean, it looks like everything kind of just needs to be updated pretty much.
Honey, he says that the fishing equipment is available. Poles and there's like tackle and...
Oh, sure. I'll totally take that. Thank you. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Thank you.
Gosh, looks like a lot of storage here, but yeah, honey, here's like this massive open area that, I mean...
Wow. It really is big down there.
Yeah.
There's so much space. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know how we can set up shop down here for sure. After my nice stay at the Marriott last night, I am ready to get on the plane in about 3 hours, so I got plenty of time to sit out here in this nice little garden at the St. Louis airport and I cannot wait to hear back from the inspector on what he says about those cracks, because other than that, we are moving in. We are really excited about this place. It's just perfect. It's got plenty of space for everything. Let's hope that when I get back, the inspector should have done his inspection, and we'll hear the good news. So we'll see you guys back home with Michelle. And as you can tell by the looks of these pods, the inspection went well, and we have been spending the last week and a half getting ready to move. We're so excited.
We've been spending the last 2 months getting ready to move.
Pretty much. I guess we tend to have started at a better time with a yard sale, and then that turned into our house is practically empty and we're moving.
Yeah.
So, wow.
We are so grateful to have a beautiful place to go to. We're so thankful that our family and friends helped us to pack up these pods, and if it wasn't for Dustin and his crazy amazing organization skills, we would never get our entire inventories from Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay in 2 pods. Over almost 2,000 pieces.
Oh my gosh, yeah, well over that. And that's, as you saw, Michelle showing you guys the first pod that we opened there. That was basically the garage and our eBay inventory.
Yeah.
So, and this one that we're standing in right now, there's a little bit of space left for the last mattress and the rest of our household belongings.
We bought a big old air mattress from Walmart.
Yeah, a really nice one too, because we're gonna have to sleep on it for basically like 2 weeks almost. The pods are going to be picked up in 3 days here, so we're going to finish doing that, and then we have to wait actually a week before they're delivered.
So it takes 16 hours to get to our new house by car, but we have to wait 7 days to get our pods, or somewhere in between there, right? Like on the longer side, you're like...
Yeah, they're only delivered to our area on a Wednesday, so we have to wait.
It gives you an idea of how secluded we are.
Yeah, it's very nice, but also that gives us time to do some updates and renovations and painting and things that we want to do before we have to, move stuff around to do that. So we're actually pretty excited about, doing all that stuff too.
I'm excited to embark on that journey. It's something kind of new and different, but it all goes along with saving money, doing stuff yourself, and just, I think, living a more financially responsible lifestyle. And that's what we're about to do. I'm so excited.
Me too, honey. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be such a wonderful adventure. And oh my gosh, the beauty, the real beauty, besides you, honey, is that we are moving in right on the lake. I mean, lakefront life, we're ready.
Yeah,
we have the
it's a
kayaks
lake
and the
house.
fishing poles all just ready. I mean, we can't wait.
Yeah, I haven't told anybody on my page, but yes, we're going to Minnesota.
Oh, Missouri.
Shoot, Missouri! You gotta see. I get the two messed up. You're gonna have to cut that.
Oh no, we're leaving that in.
We're gonna say I've never seen the house in person.
Yeah, you haven't yet. Just that walkthrough that you just saw, and you saw it with us for the first time, and we're finally gonna go there in just a few short days. So
yes,
gosh, guys.
Ready to fish, ready to be outside, ready to share it with you.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some updates. We'll probably do some videos on that. We'll show you, how we're setting up our resale business in the massive basement. We're super excited, I know.
Right? How long? What you did? 3 years ago we did that?
2 years. Yeah, 2 years. I made the halfway across the country move, and now we're doing it again, heading back to the Midwest. I'm pretty excited to get back to those Midwestern values.
Midwestern people.
Yeah, it's a bit different here on the East Coast. Let's put it that way.
35 years I lived on the East Coast, and that's just yeah. So I can't wait to see our new house in person.
Oh my gosh, yeah. We'll be there, and we'll keep you updated, guys. So stick with us. Thank you much for joining us on this adventure.
Thanks.
And we are moving on and moving in.
Oh, yes.
Take care, guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Hats up to you.
Never again. Never again. Major packing, awesome job.